my day.
Russell, do you take Patrick John, whom you now hold by hand as your true and lawful husband for richer and for poorer, till death do us part?
Yes, I do!
Palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat.
Pat, my love, my best friend. We've waited so many years for this moment. And finally, nandito na tayo.
Mahal, who would have thought that two complete strangers would end up here, standing side by side, choosing forever together.
Congrats, Brian Ras! Nakabait ka!
Ang kulit talaga nito.
Yeah, I think that love conquers all. Yeah, I bet you think that I'm small.
Hello, ang high-tech naman nito. Paano ba to? Hello. I love you.
Martin Russell, congratulations!
Excited na, excited.
Dancing as the record spin round and the sun slipping down. Cross my congratulations, Martin and Russ!
Kanina pa ako excited eh. Papabangon na nga ako eh. Nasaan na si ate?
Congratulations, Coffee and Rice! Hello. Ang pogi mo naman. Tingin nga.
Matagal namin hinintay. Ito na po. Kaya maraming salamat po sa paggabay sa laging pagsuporta sa amin. Basahin nyo lang po yung mga tao. Kaya na pong bahala. Sa inyo po namin nahabilan lahat. Maraming salamat po. Amen. Namit ko si Russell sa bar. Yeah. Ayun nga, strangers talaga. Talagang complete strangers.
When I first met you, I really wasn't looking for anything serious. Honestly, I wasn't ready at all. But who would have thought na may isang lalaki sa early night na mukhang teenager ang magpapabago ng buhay ko?
Na-inlove lang ako. Tapos, noong una parang kala ko, lang, hindi seryosoan. Hanggang sa, na-realize namin na we're meant for each other. Ooh, angas. Kiss niya ako. Ay, talagang kumis.
I was a magnet of red flags until you came along, waving the biggest green flag of my life. At first, I didn't trust it. Hindi ko alam na may lalaking katulad mo. You're one of the kindest and purest soul I know.
I may not be the best, like, doing photos or videos, pero I'll make sure, ipapangako ko, ikaw ang magiging laman ng bawat frame ko. At ng bawat alaala ng gusto kong tignan habang buhay.
Patrick, regalo sa iyo ng Panginoon, si Russell. Ayaw ng Diyos na ikaw ay mapag-isa. Sa iyong pagtanda, makakasama mo si Russell sa hirap at sa ginhawa.
I just want you. Have a couple kids, got the whole block looking like you. We tell the world.
Halika na, lakad nyo na ako. Baka hindi pa ako bukasan.
Mahal, sobrang excited na ako sa bagong chapter ng buhay natin. Mahal na mahal kita, Patrick John Esteban. At araw-araw, nagpapasalamat ako na ikaw ang pipiliin kong asawa. Ngayon at paulit-ulit.
Dati, alam ko sanay kang mag-isa. You're strong, independent, and unstoppable on your own. Pero ngayon, mahal, I promise, you'll never have to face anything alone. I'll be on your side in every adventure, every challenge, and every dream.
I just want you, baby.
susuportahan ko lahat ng gusto mo. Pati lahat ng travel na gusto mo. Basta kasama ako. At kahit hindi ako, yun, kahit hindi ako mahilig sa TikTok, gagawin ko lahat para sa kaligayahan mo, man.
Driveway with the basketball. Bust up, settle down, got a wish list. I just want you.
Mahal, I promise to always see you. Hindi lang yung tawa mo at yung liwanag mo, pero pati yung takot, pagod, at kahit yung mga silent battles mo na hindi mo laging sinasabi sa akin. I'll be here for all of it. I promise to grow old with you and dream with you. Kahit ano pang problema ang kumatok sa pintuan natin, hindi ako aalis. Hindi ako mag-walk out.
Alex! House and lot yan, girl!
Kems, thank you. Kuya Aljen. Bon, best man. Open nyo, konti na lang naman yan eh. Kay Mamsi, Papsi, wow! Ito may bunso.
I will encourage you to chase your dreams, even if they scare me, because I know they're yours. And in supporting them, I support you. Kahit paminsan sinusubok tayo ng tadhana at panahon, masaya ako na ikaw yung kasama ko sa journey na yun.
Round and round, upside down, wherever you go, you got my.
Thank you, Mahal, for making me feel special. You are my greatest blessing, my home in every journey, and my favorite destination. I'll always find my way back. Whatever life leads us, whatever path we take, I'll always choose you. I love you, Mahal.
You got my love.
Dear brothers and sisters, it is my honor to present to you the newlywed, Mr. Patrick John Esteban and Mrs. Russell Esteban.
Bigger dreams to reach.
I promise to love you, not because you're perfect and kind, but because you're you. You're my Patrick John. At sabay nating aabutin lahat ng pangarap para sa sarili natin at para sa future nating dalawa.
Round and round, upside down.